SkyBarrier is a revolutionary safety system designed specifically for facade installation by AZL Group. Our team of experts has developed this product with a singular focus on ensuring the highest level of safety for workers operating at heights. One of the key features of SkyBarrier is its impressive height. The system stands at 2 meters tall, providing a formidable barrier against potential falls. But we didn't stop there. We understood that in some cases, our customers require even greater protection. That's why we engineered SkyBarrier to offer full protection, extending its coverage to match the height of the entire floor. This means that no matter how high your project reaches, SkyBarrier can scale with you, offering uncompromising safety at every level. At AZL Group, we believe in transparency and thoroughness. We know that when it comes to safety, our customers need more than just promises. They need proof. That's why we have compiled a comprehensive set of documents that detail every aspect of SkyBarrier's design, engineering, and performance. From the initial concept sketches to the final product specifications, we have left no stone unturned. But documentation alone isn't enough. We have gone the extra mile by subjecting SkyBarrier to rigorous testing, pushing its limits to ensure that it can withstand even the most challenging conditions. Our team has conducted every conceivable test, from stress tests and impact simulations to weather resistance trials. We have put SkyBarrier through its paces, and it has emerged victorious every single time. The result of this exhaustive testing is a wealth of data that we are proud to share with our customers. We understand that when you're making decisions about safety, you need hard facts and figures to back up your choices. That's why we provide a complete set of data to our customers, detailing SkyBarrier's performance in various scenarios. With this information at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions and have complete confidence in the safety of your on-site personnel. At AZL Group, we are committed to delivering the highest standard of safety in the industry. We know that when it comes to facade installation, there can be no compromises. That's why we have poured our expertise, passion, and resources into creating SkyBarrier, a product that sets a new benchmark for safety. When you choose SkyBarrier, you're not just choosing a safety system, you're choosing peace of mind. You're choosing the assurance that comes from knowing your workers are protected by a product that has been designed, tested, and proven to perform at the highest level. So, whether your project is a towering skyscraper or a complex architectural marvel, trust SkyBarrier to be your unwavering partner in safety. With its 2-meter height, full protection capabilities, comprehensive documentation, and extensive testing, SkyBarrier is the ultimate solution for facade installation safety. At AZL Group, we are proud to stand behind SkyBarrier and offer it to our customers with the utmost confidence. We believe that every worker deserves to go home safe at the end of the day, and with SkyBarrier, we are making that belief a reality, one project at a time.